Every day we are witnessing an AI tool or AI app that is shaking the entire world. Nowadays, we have been regularly hearing about clawdbot, which has been renamed to Moltbot. What actually is this Moltbot? What can it actually do? Why it is trending and becoming viral everywhere in the internet? I will explain in simple terms like what actually this Moltbot is. Moltbot, it has the caption, the AI that actually does things. It will act like your personal assistant. Good thing is like you can run it locally. You can communicate with the Moltbot in your WhatsApp or Telegram, in your social media accounts or in your email, like whatever that you use. It will monitor you, it will remember the conversations, it will remember your activity, it will remember your browsing, it will remember everything that you do. Example, if you want to apply for a job application on a machine learning engineer role with some experience or maybe 5 to 6 years of experience and with a specific skill set, you don't know when will a particular job application will start, or when will a particular company will post a job application, but you mentioned it to Moltbot that you're looking for a specific application. Whenever a specific company or any company post an application or post a job update on machine learning engineer, apply. Then Moltbot will actively search for job updates with the required skill set, and whenever a new job appears, it will apply on your behalf. Like if you want to send emails to people every day, so instead of you, Moltbot will actually send emails based on your behalf if you communicate clearly, like whom you want to send an email to. And if you want to create a calendar invite on regular basis, Moltbot will do that on your behalf. If you want to check in for the cheapest flight ticket from a particular place to a particular destination, so Moltbot actually look for flights with cheapest prices, and it will update you whenever it appears. It will stay locally. People are actually buying devices like Mac Minis to run Moltbot 24/7. If you give access to your browsing, or if you give access to your device 24/7, all the browsing, all the internet activity, then Moltbot will think on your behalf and do things on your behalf. So that's the power of Moltbot, and that is the exact reason why it is trending these days. You can also see in the website of Moltbot what are all the different integrations that it will provide. You can literally access Moltbot from your WhatsApp or Telegram or your Discord, iMessage, Signal, like any app that you take. Almost all of these apps will provide access to it. I hope you found this video helpful on actually what Moltbot will do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more content on AI on a regular basis.